3 fish in the one pool. It is going bonkers here. Oh yeah. G'day folks, Tommy here from Toiling Time Fishing. I've sort of been in around the Flower area for a couple of hours here. Just been exploring a few little tributaries and stuff, which has been good fun. But sort of like right now as a last resort, I'm going to jump into the King Parrot Creek here. It is running a bit high at the moment, running a little bit dirty, but I'm sure if there's a few hungry fish there and they can see my fly, they're going to go absolutely ham on it. So let's hope that happens, fingers crossed. It's going to be a lot of fun. And just a quick little gear talk as well. I've got here just a nymph, a black nymph, copper bead. It's got like a red kind of tag on it, an orange tag. So I'm hoping that's going to really stand out quite well in the water. And then the dry fly is my usual caddis, which I've been fishing in success with lately. But look, for me, I reckon that caddis, you might get a fish take it today, but I reckon that's just going to be my striking indicator really. And I'm looking at that nymph there to really do some damage. So let's keep walking here. We'll jump in, we'll get into it. Okay folks. This is our last spot here. This is the King Parrot Creek. It's got a fair bit of flow actually still. Very dirty. So gonna be a little bit tough fishing I believe, but I still reckon that orange hot spot there should be quite visible in the water. And this could be really, sometimes it could be a really good time to fish because this river's been up a fair bit. I'm trying to get through the guides. And the best time to get on the river after it's been up is the first moment it gets down and it clears up. You can be some really good fishing. So I'm probably a little bit too early still, but these fish have got to feed. Oh, there he is. Oh, it's a nice fish. Bloody oath. Oh, where you going, buddy? Where are you going? Oh, he's a ripper, actually. Could be very gentle with him. That's it. Come up for us, would you, mate? Come up for us. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh. Gee. The Flower area is producing some really nice quality brownies, you know. Between a 28 and a 30. Really good stuff. Alright buddy. Thanks for coming. See you later buddy. Oh, another one. Oh, he got off. Bugger. Bugger. Oh, they're seeing it, that's for sure. And they're nice quality fish. Oh, it's a little fella. What do I do then? Did I strike too late, too early? Not sure. I thought everything's sort of right for a dry fly eat. There he is there. Oh, lovely. Oh, geez, bloody deep. He's just doing his thing, he's hanging deep there. Lovely little fish. Much lighter coloured fish in here, because the water's more like dirty. Oh, there he is. Beautiful little fish. Yeah, he's probably about that 25, I'd say. Oh, buddy, thanks for coming. Hey, off he goes. See you later. So it's sort of systematically kind of covering this area here. I sort of plugged quite a few through the guts of it. Had that one fish I landed, one I dropped, so good if I get one out there, but it looks a bit hard to. But we'll just put a couple through here. These fish aren't seen at first go as well, because this water's just a little bit dirty. They are picking up pretty well, but they're not seen at first go, which is fine. So a couple of casts through the same spot, and then you know you fished it pretty well. Let me get one out there. Okay, there's one out a little bit further, but we'll throw a mend in it. There he is. Oh, popped off. Gotta say, the King Parrot is fishing pretty well. Probably had a much needed break from the mangling pressure because I had a bit of water come through it, but just is bouncing back alright. Imagine when this water's clearer, then I'll see your flies easier. Be red hot fishing here. There he is there. Oh yeah. Nice. Oh, he's going. He's going. He's a nice fish actually. He's a bloody ripper. He'd nearly be my biggest fish today, I'd say. Oh, he's up there. Oh, get that net ready. Oh no, he's not. Just a lovely fish nonetheless. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah. Not quite ready yet, is he? Just need to pop his head up like that. Net him up, beautiful. Oh, lovely. Apologies folks, the camera's died, but he's green. He's ready to go. See you later. Gee, my word, the King Parrot's fishing pretty well. Generally these sort of runs here, you're sort of expecting a fish in each one, a fish or two, so she's fishing quite well. Oh yep, there's another one, another one. Well, I'm not sure if I really set the hook on this one though. Hold on, buddy. Again, lovely fish. Gee, lovely fish, alright. Just sort of like taking it easy on him, but it's not really going anywhere. Oh, we're on the reel now. Come on over here, buddy. Oh, come on, a little more. Oh no. Oh, he's not keen. He doesn't like that net, that's for sure. Right, now he'll come our way. Just nicely like that. Beautiful. There's a good concentration of fish here. I've been stuck at this bridge for the last 15 or so minutes. Oh yeah. That is a ripper. Gee whiz. Buddy, thanks for coming. I'll just hold you there for a little bit. Off he goes. Looks nice. Looks nice here. Maybe a little bit shallow. I think these fish are really hanging deep. Probably just a little bit cooler water down deep. Oh, there he is. Oh, yeah, nice. Beauty. Let's get out a little bit deeper. Oi, gotcha, mate, gotcha. Beautiful. It has been a bloody good day, really. In hindsight, probably should have come here first, but I'm glad I did try those other little streams just to see how they were fishing. Lovely little brownie. Again, very light coloured because this water is like quite murky. So there's lighter colours on them that would be able to blend in a bit better against the bottom here, and you just survive a bit better than say if it was sticking out with all these vibrant colours. Mate, see you later. Oh, there he is there. Oh, flying trout. Holy smokes. Ah, lovely. Oh, gotcha. Fantastic. Really ate that quite well, didn't he? The dry fire just really darted off, so that's when I know I just had to hit it. Get a lovely little brownie. All on the nymphs today. Every one of them. Buddy, thanks for coming. See you later. There's another one there. Oh, another one. There's 3 fish in the one pool. It is going bonkers here. I'm pretty sure I put a few casts through this fish is. They're just not seeing the first go, which is fine. Just a smaller one, this one. Beautiful little brand. Look at the red spots on him. Light coloured, but red spots. Thanks for coming, buddy. See you later. Ooh, looks nice here. It's shallow, but it's shallow and moving a little bit, but it looks nice. Could be a fish there. Ooh. Okay. I just saw a dark shadow, and it was quite a big dark shadow move. It wasn't him though, it was a fish though. It was a big dark shadow, just moved then. Where are you going, mate? Don't go up there. Come on, buddy. What do you think you're doing? Come here. Oh. Oh, he popped off. That's okay. Counter's caught. I touched him. There's a big dark shadow then. It just sort of cruised from left to right, which tells me I probably spooked that fish. Yes, that is the advantage of having a stream that's off colour like this. You very rarely will spook fish. You can often sneak up on them and get quite close to them. And also as well, you know, it's the opportunistic feeders in this river here at the moment, with the water flowing a bit and it's a little bit off colour. They've got to decide straight away whether to commit or not. So look, don't be off put, like I sort of was earlier in the day, I'm not gonna lie. Don't be off put by the colour of the water here, because the fish are still hungry, still got to feed. You know, they might not be seeing it as easily as if it was clear. There's another one, but they're still seeing it. They're still seeing it, and they're still really happy to have a crack at it. Oh, get the net out. Last minute. Lovely little brownie. Ooh, he didn't get away this time. This is unbelievable fishing, really. sort of said when I jumped in here, you know, sometimes after rain, as soon as the river calms down, you can be in the first river, you can have some really good fishing. And yeah, it's still a little bit dirty, doesn't matter, but there's bloody stacks of fish here. Oh mate. Oop. There you buddy. Most graceful release, but that's alright. He's in the water swimming. Oh, I dropped him. A little bit slow on the strike there, but I dropped him. Bugger. Oop. No, that's on the bottom. Because he won't come back, but if he's got a mate around him, he might eat. Oh, this is unbelievable. You've got to be kidding me, mate. This is unbelievable. This is just shooting fish in a barrel, really. This is insane fishing. Oh, he popped off. Can't count him as caught. That's okay. That's okay. Folks, that has been the King Parrot Creek at its finest, I reckon, really. You know, still not the most favourable conditions for me as a fly fisherman, but you know what? The fish are hungry, they could see our flies enough. We got plenty of fish there. That was amazing fun. That was such a good little session there. Really enjoying that. Nymph under dry, super simple kind of stuff here, and you know, not many people out and about either at the moment, so not sure why everyone's just leaving them around, but that's fine. That's all good. If you've like what you've seen, don't forget to give us a big fat thumbs up. We'd love to subscribe from your fellow watchers as well. And also as well, drop a comment, like, you know, it'd be good to talk in the comment section there. But I hope you really enjoyed that. That really turned it on down there at the King Parrot Creek. That was a joy to fish. See you next time, Tommy time. Cheers.